Alright guys, now we are going to see Linux privilege escalation technique using LD preload and LD library path environment variables. We have already seen LD preload, but we will be seeing LD library path also. It's similar. This will load the object files. This will load the whole directory containing the libraries that are going to be used by the binary. Okay. Now let's say sudo -l. So we can run this Apache 2 as a root user. So type ldd command. So this will show the dependencies for this Apache 2. So you can see these are the shared objects, and you can see these are the actual location is this one. So at this address it is going to be loaded. The content at this address is going to be loaded in the memory, and then this executable uses those content without rewriting the whole code in this binary. So that's why these shared objects are being used. These different shared objects contains different code which will be used by the Apache 2. Alright, now in this directory we have two files, preload.c and librarypath.c. So let's see this one. So you can also get these files by googling. So you can google and search for this LD library path privilege escalation. So you will get this file, this code. So this is the function, and we are unsetting the variable library path. You can see here in the top when we run the sudo -l, the environment variable LD library path is going to be keep. So that means whenever we run sudo, except these two, and every other environment variable is going to be reset except these two. So that means we can use this LD library path. So we are setting any other previous values, and then we are setting our user ID group ID to 00, and then we are executing this one as this user. So that is the root user bin bash -p. So now let's say ls. So let's go ahead and compile this into the shared object. So you need to specify the shared, and then you need to say output. Let's say temp. Let's say what is this file name? So libdr.so.2. So copy this and paste it in here, and then you need to specify this C file and hit enter. So we have successfully compiled. Let's say ls temp. So we have the DLL file. So now what we are going to do is sudo ld library underscore path. So we are defining the path. So it's similar to the path variable manipulation. So we are specifying first, checking this path. If in this path the library DLL is there, then you load that immediately. So USR has been Apache 2 and hit enter. Now you can see we got the shell. Who am I? Root. So okay, you can do similarly the LD period. So just similar syntax. You need to add this node start first, and then point to this temp directory which we have compiled this preload.so, and then run the Apache 2 or any other binary. So if you want to use the binary, say find, now we need to find the what are the DLLs that are being used by the find. USR bin find. So okay, these are the DLLs. So you can make you can just rename that one, use the preload, and then you can get the root shell. So that's all for this video. So you can just, there is no questions, you can click completed.